Have you ever wondered what happens to your body if you drink soy milk every day? Soy milk is a popular plant-based alternative to dairy milk and is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It is high in protein, low in fat, and contains no cholesterol. And by drinking it every day, you can reap some major health benefits. Soy milk is a good source of vitamins and minerals, like calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. It also contains essential fatty acids that are beneficial for cardiovascular health. Soy milk is rich in phytoestrogens, which are plant-based compounds that can mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. This can help to regulate your hormones and improve your overall health and well-being. Soy milk is also high in isoflavones, which are known to help reduce inflammation and improve bone health. They can also help reduce the risk of some chronic diseases, such as diabetes and heart disease. So if you're looking to improve your overall health, drinking soy milk every day could be the perfect way to do it.